Today we will go over replacement of the diaphragm and check valves in the PTFE diaphragm pump for Masterflex L S drives. You will require a service kit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 1/2-inch open end wrench. To replace the diaphragm, disconnect the backing plate from the pump head by removing 4 Phillips screws with washers. Remove the reagent head with the check valves still attached. With the diaphragm now loose, remove the spacing ring segments. The diaphragm is now exposed. Loosen the diaphragm lock nut at the shaft by using the wrench supplied in the service kit. Replace the old diaphragm with the new one. To obtain maximum durability from the new diaphragm and to prevent it from striking the reagent head or the pump body, adjust its height correctly by using the gauge provided. Replace the spacing ring segments between the pump body and diaphragm. Realign the holes in the diaphragm with the holes in the pump housing by turning the slot in the diaphragm shaft. You can now attach the reagent head and backing plate to the pump body by using the 4 Phillips screws. We will now move on to replacing the check valves. The check valves can be serviced or replaced individually or in pairs without disassembly of the pump head. First, unscrew and remove the check valve from the head by placing a 3/4-inch wrench across the flats adjacent to the threads to be unscrewed. Once the old check valves have been removed, you may install the new check valves by inserting the valves into the 1/4-inch port in the reagent head. It is essential that the inlet end of the check valve be installed in the inlet port of the reagent head and the outlet end be installed in the outlet port. Place the 3/4-inch wrench across the flats adjacent to the threads to be tightened into the pump and tighten.